Just took like 14 Adderall, drank 72 Red Bulls, and finished my intro the day of the release.
I tell these bad bitches, accolades, got will, son, no castaway. I'm twice as good, get half the praise. Throw a sniper up and I blast away. You ain't getting through me. Nah, somehow I've been here 10 hours. My chick's sour, rising and falling together, though like we the Twin Towers. Nothing's taken, I'm frustrated. If I could only get just to blaze it, ain't no doubt that I'd muster greatness. No chip off of that old block. All eyes on me, but I'm no pop. Fully loaded off those shots, that bass will knock you like cold cocks. I'm number one. Big Mac in my flow, the ice in my wrist lacking. I've been having, they been slacking, they been down, and I've been bout it. My mojo back rap school member. Gotta be one core winner. Got the game on my ring finger. I'm BA and that's over. I've been killing shit, cause that's protocol. I don't do this for y'all. No, I just do this for me. I flip the game on this hill 180 degrees. Baby, please, baby, please. I know you're dying to stay. I ain't gonna stop you from walking. Always remember the name. I'm a man, I'm a man, I'm a man. I'ma get it cause I can, cause I can, cause I can. And I feel it in my vans, in my vans, in my vans. I think baby girl a fan, she a fan, she a fan. I'm Holly charted from the valley to the mountains. I ain't finished till I coordinate a car with my outfit. Came to see it thunder like Miami in the summer, man. I'm just getting over all the pressure I was under. Cool cat, you know I had to go to home now. I told you I was golden as Coronas on the coastline. These days, I don't know what's worthy of a cosign. Ain't a 49er, I'm a sitting on a gold. Let it burn like the tropics on my pockets. Crave his profits. I'm obnoxious to a nuisance. Rocking J's out of Hoopin'. Hidden in my hoodie from the head.